Welcome to our Visualforce Pages tutorial, crafted for both beginners and professionals. We'll explore the essential and advanced concepts of Visualforce, a pivotal Salesforce component. This tutorial will guide you through the basics and complexities of Visualforce Pages, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of this powerful tool. Visualforce is a Salesforce markup language using XML-like syntax for front-end design and Apex for back-end logic. It supports creating pages up to 15 megabytes, integrating components and controllers. This combination allows for sophisticated user interfaces and business logic implementation, essential for customizing Salesforce applications. Visualforce Pages utilize unique components to craft feature-rich user interfaces. They leverage standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. These components, known as Visualforce components, are small, reusable pieces of functionality. This sets the stage for exploring the variety of standard and custom components available in Salesforce. Salesforce offers over 50 standard UI components, identified by. These components help create a seamless Salesforce experience without extra HTML or CSS. Custom components, defined by allow for user-specific functionality, enhancing the flexibility and customization of Visualforce Pages. Visualforce controllers define actions post-component interaction. Salesforce offers standard, custom, and extension controllers. Standard controllers access the Salesforce database, adapting to page types automatically. This sets the stage for custom and extension controllers, which handle complex logic and extend functionality respectively. Custom controllers are Apex classes for complex logic, ideal for rich user interfaces with intricate data. Extension controllers enhance both standard and custom controllers, adding functionality and overriding methods. They allow multiple extensions on a Visualforce page, offering flexibility in design and functionality. To effectively work with Visualforce Pages, a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and Apex programming is essential. Apex, being object-oriented, requires familiarity with object-oriented programming concepts. This tutorial is tailored for students eager to explore Salesforce customer relationship management, providing foundational and advanced insights into Visualforce's capabilities. Visualforce is essential for customizing Salesforce, combining Visualforce for the front end and Apex for the back end. It supports HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Flash, and asynchronous JavaScript and XML, enabling sophisticated user interfaces and extending Salesforce's capabilities. Visualforce empowers us to build wizards and multi-step processes, offering custom flow control and navigation patterns. It enables the creation of components for dashboards and sophisticated websites, enhancing user interaction and application efficiency. Visualforce Pages are versatile tools in Salesforce. They allow us to override standard buttons and create custom tabs, enhancing user interaction. We can embed components within detailed page layouts, providing a seamless user experience. Additionally, Visualforce Pages are instrumental in creating dynamic dashboard components, offering tailored insights and data visualization. This tutorial has provided a thorough understanding of Visualforce and Salesforce, covering both basic and advanced concepts. For any questions or issues, please reach out through the contact form. Thank you for your attention and engagement.